Okay. Whose bag is that?
It's Jenny's bag.
What can you do?
I can swim.
What do you have?
I have a key.
Do you have a comic book?
No,
Do you have a comic book?
no, no.
Do you remember? Do you have a comic book?
No. He isn't. No, I don't.
Okay. What does she have?
She have a Millie's bag.
Okay, can you say these?
Blue flag. Cap. Key. Key.
SW.
Swing.
Swim.
Swing.
Okay, can you read this for me?
This is a car. The car is red. This is a plane. Red.
One more time.
Red. Is where is
The
the tail is green. These are babies. This is a baby's dinner. This is a organ. It's fun. This is a doll's house. It's pink.
Very good.